Hey everybody, Right Polo Tech here. In this video, I want to share with you an experience that I had with buying replacement battery packs for this Hitachi drill. Now this little Hitachi drill is a 10.8 volt drill. It came in a set with 2 battery packs, sawzall, a charger, and a light. Now I'm not here to tell you about the kit, this Hitachi kit, but it is a great kit. Anyways, what I'm here to talk to you about is replacement battery packs. Now, every now and again, we need an excuse to buy a whole new set of tools. And yes, I love the excuse every once in a while as well. But there's some times where you have people in your life that might say, you don't need a whole new kit of tools. You got so many tools as it is already. And then you're like, oh, fine. So then you go online and you type in Hitachi BLC 1015 or whatever your battery pack is, and you do a search for it. And I did that, and I put the links in the description for you guys so you can check them out as well. But it pulled up the Hitachi battery packs like this one, but it also pulled up generic or off-brand battery packs as well. And I was like, what? That's awesome. I can get 2 of these, a 2-pack of these, for the same price that I can get 1 Hitachi battery pack. And I'm like, well, that's a no-brainer. Now I can have 3 battery packs in my kit instead of 2. Yeah, thanks, let's do it. So I ordered it, they came in, charged it up, I slapped it in the drill, and I'm like, no way. These things work just as good, they're just as great. That's totally awesome. So I was like, I have got to share this with you guys. So guys, just because you need a replacement battery pack doesn't mean you have to go out and buy the expensive name brand battery pack. Try the off-brand battery pack. A lot of times, most of the times, they're just as good and half the price, or you can get a 2-pack for the price of 1. So anyways, I wanted to share that with you guys. Please hit that like button if you like this video. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. And also, hit that subscribe button for me. Check out my other videos. Share this with everybody else because everybody needs to know this. These off-brand battery packs work really well, and everybody needs to know it. So share this video with them. Check out my other videos, guys. I'll see you next time. Thanks.